Heads.
And I said I'm sorry if it's a little informal. You know, that's how I started. Yay!
What happens on the stay? Let's stay on the ski lift.
Oh wait, that's open too. Wait.
Those are actual people who raced.
Alright.
Yo, can we get like some juice, please? Where's Kai going? Wait, that's open. Oh shit, it's open. My bad. Oh shit. I got you, Coco. I'll record you.
A beautiful. This is the block.
Okay, I don't think I'm going.
Okay.
You want to hike back down up the mountain? What up? Let's watch him. Ready? You got it, Coco. Just watch what kind of.
That's deep as shit.
You gotta trust it, right? Look how. Oh shit, I'm there! Oh fuck! Holy shit! Yo, you good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh fuck! Hold on. Stay there. I'll get your shit. I got you. What?
What happened? Oh, is that my stuff?
Yeah, that's all your stuff.
Throw it down.
No, I got you. You get that one, I get the other ski. Woo-hoo. You gotta go slow now, you can't cannonball it. Good. So tight to wait.
Don't gotta wait.
Okay, so basically that same thing happened to me last time. Except my shit was all the way up there.
Oh.
I was down here.
Oh lord. Did you ask someone to throw it down?
Yeah, someone tried to get that shit down. And then when it came down, he actually dropped it and went all the way back down the mountain. And I was already like halfway up the mountain. So I skied on one leg back down. And he got me out.
Dropped it down the mountain?
Like they accidentally dropped it because they were trying to hand it to me and they dropped it. You're good. Do you know how to put it in skis up the mountain?
Yep. Kind of.
Do you need me to hold it for you?
Let me see.
Yeah, let me help you.
Okay, it has to
I got it. Just stabilize. Push it. Okay, push it in a little more. Oh shit.
No.
You're good. Take your time.
Should I do my left one first?
It doesn't really matter. But yeah, you can do it. It'll give you more stable area.
It's like more stable.
Yeah, don't follow me, bro, okay? Good. Alright, this one, I got this one.
Okay.
Just push it in.
Can you tilt it?
Tilt it up there. Yeah, I got you. You in? 3, 2, 1, push. You locked in?
Yeah.
Alright, which ones are yours?
Katana.
Katana, okay. This one, this one, and this one, I think, yeah? Alright, you're good.
Alright.
Ooh. Yeah. We got some beer time today. Oh, not again! Holy shit! How'd you like? You good?
Oh, this one is bad.
That was bad?
This one is way worse.
Alright. Take it easy, take it easy.
Hold on.
Yeah, the best part is, I got them both on camera. Yep, all on camera. You look, you want to see it, dude, you can crash it, epic. You really can't do it sitting down. You gotta stand
You
up.
have to stand up.
You have to stand up because how else are you gonna push it in? I can help you stabilize
Can you
that.
give me like a pole?
Yeah, here's a pole. You used me as a pole.
Is there another pole?
This is one of the skills you really need to learn.
Shit, dude.
You're good.
How fucking difficult can it fucking be, dude?
Trust me, once you get used to it, you'll be fine. Here, come on. Just here. Just do this. Don't move. Lock in. You're good. Good.
Okay.
Take it easy. You're like injured, dude.
Oh.
Let me just crab walk on my way. Yo, I'll be right back. Figure out what crab walk is used for. I realize it.
Do you have the other pole? There's 3 poles.
I got the other one. Good?
You have 3?
Oh, there's 1,
Where's
2,
yours?
3.
No, where's
Oh,
yours?
this is yours.
I know, so where's yours?
This is my only one. Remember, I only have 1.
Oh. Wait, what?
Because I'm Kai's. This is Kai's.
Oh. I thought you had 2.
Alright, take it easy. Let's go.
Yeah.
No.
I'm not gonna.
It's okay. Just take it easy. I'll be right behind you. I'm all mixing. Yo, did I tell you? Did I tell you that the crashes get the most views on YouTube? You're gonna be fucking famous on the channel. Literally, you're gonna.
Censor out what I say.
People are gonna be watching this and you're gonna love it.
Watch, I got it on camera.
I got both crashes on camera.
When was the second time?
He got 2
The
crashes.
second time I just stood up.
Dude,
and went like
his leg, I swear, went like inverted.
that one was bad. I got
What?
my leg like twisted on this.
Alright, sounds good. Have it all, lose it all.